There's more breaking news coming in where there is now a plea in the Supreme Court, ladies and gentlemen, to transfer the Sandeshkhali probe out of West Bengal. The plea seeks the transfer of the probe from West Bengal to either the CBI or an SIT outside West Bengal. The plea also seeks a 3-judge committee similar to the Manipur case to look into the matter. So that's the big piece of breaking news that's coming in. This plea is before the top court of the country, and the big question is also emerging from the BJP camp. All those opposition leaders who were raising a hue and cry over Manipur, why have they suddenly gone silent? And this is what's coming in from the top court of the country, where a plea is now seeking a movement of this case outside West Bengal, claiming it will not get a fair hearing from the authorities in the state. I'm joined by my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar, who's getting us this piece of breaking news. Ananya, over to you. Give us the details.
Well, definitely a big move coming in. Advocate Alok Srivastava moving the topmost court of the country, seeking a transfer of the investigation in this whole Sandeshkhali horror, where we've seen, various women encountering a sexual assault in the state of West Bengal. And in fact, the opposition parties are silent when it comes to, the Sandeshkhali. And this is what exactly the BJP is saying. But this petition before the topmost court of the country, filed by Advocate Alok Srivastava, clearly goes on to say and seeks that the probe in this particular case is transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation or outside the state of West Bengal. If you remember, Aishman, in the morning, the National Commission for Women had actually given out a statement where it was stated that the NCW was not cooperated with, in fact, the NCW, the DGP of West Bengal Police had denied any kind of a cooperation, and that is also mentioned in that particular petition. But the major demand of this plea is that this whole case should be transferred out of the state of West Bengal, either shifted to the National Capital Territory of Delhi or investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Though the BJP's constant claim that remains is that, while the opposition parties had raised a big hue and cry when it comes to the Manipur issue, why Sandeshkhali is something that they are very, very silent on. And we'll have to wait and watch if at all this petition is mentioned tomorrow before the Chief Justice of India or not. But definitely a big move coming in. Whether or not the Supreme Court agrees to hear this particular issue, how will the Supreme Court react to this particular thing that is going on in the state of West Bengal, whether or not these women would actually be able to secure justice from the top of the country. All these questions answered in the next few days.
Right. Thank you, Ananya, for getting us that piece of breaking news. And remember, this plea comes after Mamata Banerjee herself, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, claimed that all those who are raising a hue and cry over the situation in Sandeshkhali, these women who are raising this issue that there has been a reign of terror in Sandeshkhali, where there has been land grabbing, sexual assault and intimidation, they are nothing more than BJP workers in disguise who are setting out false narratives, who are peddling false narratives to discredit the TMC government. Listen in.
আপনারা জানেন জীবনে আমি কোনো অন্যায়কে কোনোদিন প্রশ্রয় দিইনি এবং আমি ইনিশিয়েটিভ নিয়ে স্টেট কমিশন পাঠিয়েছি, আমাদের অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন পাঠিয়েছি, 17 জনকে অ্যারেস্ট করা হয়েছে এবং আপনারা দেখেছেন যারা মুখে মাস্ক পরে পরে ছবি তুলছে, ধরাও পড়েছে বিজেপির কর্মী, কিভাবে তারা বাইরে থেকে নিয়ে এসে একটা এলাকাকে অশান্ত করার চেষ্টা করেছে। আগে টার্গেট শেখ শাহজাহান, ওকে টার্গেট করে ইডি ঢুকলো, তারপরে সবাইকে বার করে দিয়ে তারপরে ওখানে আদিবাসী মাইনরিটিদের মধ্যে ঝগড়া লাগিয়ে দিল। মহিলা টিম আছে ওখানে, পুলিশেরও একটা মহিলা টিম আছে, ঘরে ঘরে যাচ্ছে কার কি অভিযোগ শুনতে, শুনে এসে রিপোর্ট করার পর যদি কারো প্রবলেম থাকে সেটা নিয়ে নিশ্চয়ই আমরা কাজ করব। আগে তো আমাকে জানতে হবে ব্যাপারটা কি। সন্দেশখালী আজকে নতুন নয়, ওখানে আরএসএস এর একটা বাসা আছে, 7-8 বছর আগেও দাঙ্গা হয়েছিল ওখানে, কতগুলো দাঙ্গা স্পটের মধ্যে এটাও একটা স্পট, মনে রাখবেন।
Mamata Banerjee ji, is there no Mamata left? Today, the Sarkar of Mati Manush has become Sarkar of bomb, band and balatkaris. You are on the one hand giving clean chit to Shahjahan Sheikh in the West Bengal Assembly. You are defending him, and then you are victim shaming, saying that the victims are BJP RSS Karyakartas. That means you are doubting the women and the allegations they are making. This is not the first time Mamata Didi has done this. It has happened in Park Street rape case. It has happened in Nadia rape case. And now we are seeing, even after post-poll violence, this was done She just rejected the charges that were made by the women, and now also the women are being doubted. Their integrity is being doubted. But unfortunately, the entire India Alliance conscience keepers, those who speak up about women's rights, they are silent.